Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's AWS networking tutorial, we are going to talk about one of the most important components inside a VPC called Internet Gateway. If you ever wondered how does an easy to connect to the internet, why some subnets are private, some are public, or how AWS makes your instance reachable from outside. So we'll go step by step, explain what is an internet gateway is, why we need it, how you convert a private subnet into a public one. So let's start. First we'll see what is an internet gateway, why do we need it in AWS VPC. So let's understand first what is an internet gateway. So internet gateway basically it's connect your VPC to the internet, and without an internet gateway your VPC is completely private. So note this point, without internet gateway your VPC is completely private. And AWS uses it to send traffic from your VPC to the internet and to the internet to the VPC. So in simple words, think of it like a door that allows internet traffic to enter or leave your VPC. VPC means virtual private cloud. Next, we'll see here we understand what is internet gateway. We already see this used for sending traffic between VPC and the internet and connect your VPC to the internet. And think of it as the door between your VPC and the internet. Next, we'll see default subnet behavior. So by default, all subnets are private. So note this point, all subnets are private by default. Instance cannot access the internet. So if it is private, so it's obvious it cannot access the internet. And internet user cannot reach to your instances. So internet user cannot reach able to reach to your instances. So the question comes, to make a subnet public, you must attach a internet gateway to the VPC. What you have to do? You have to attach an internet gateway to the VPC to make it public. Here you can see the point. To make a subnet public, you must attach an internet gateway. Next slide, we'll see some important rules about internet gateways. Rules you must remember. So first rule is a VPC can attach only one internet gateway. Second rule is an internet gateway can attach to only one VPC at a time. So at a time, only one VPC can connect to the internet gateway. Next, it's automatically span across all ability zones. Third point and fourth point, internet gateway are highly available and redundant. So keep in mind all these points. Now we'll see why an internet gateway is important. So an internet gateway is required for EC2 instance to connect or to access the internet for some downloading, some updates regarding. So you need EC2 instance to access the internet. Next, application to receive traffic from users. So for public facing app like web server. Third, without an internet gateway, the VPC is fully isolated. Next, we'll see step to convert a private subnet into a public subnet. So first step, create an internet gateway. Second step, attach to it your VPC. Third step, create a new route table. And the fourth step, add a default route like this internet gateway. For you all know that 0.0.0/0 is default route. So what this means? So this means it send all internet traffic to the internet gateway. Now fifth step will associate the route table with your subnet. So I think I have uploaded the video regarding how to connect to internet gateway. You can see my previous video, 2-3 months back I have uploaded. So now let's see public and private IP addressing. So instance in public subnet gets a private IP or a public IP. So private IP used inside the VPC and public IP is used for the internet. Example, private IP we have 192.168.11 and suppose for public IP we have 1.1.1. So important here the instance itself only see 192.168.11 and AWS automatically maps the public IP to the private IP. Now we'll see how AWS manage IP translation. So AWS manage the mapping for you. Traffic internet traffic hits the public IP and AWS forward it to the private IP. Then its response go back using the public IP. So each network interface can have one private IP, one public IP. So in this way, it translates the IP and map together by AWS. Now at the last, we'll see some takeaways. So in summary, internet gateway is equal to your VPC connection to the internet, and without it, all subnets remain private. Only one internet gateway per VPC, and a subnet is public only if route table point to the internet gateway. Remember this point, a subnet is public only. It will become public if route table is pointing to the internet gateway. An instance in public subnets need a public IP to be reachable. So instance in public subnet need always a public IP to become reachable. And AWS map public private IP automatically. So that's all from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and I will upload more amazing tutorial like this. So your concept is clear. So we'll see you in the next video.